This is the unboxing review for the BTArtbox model DR-2031 nail drill. Everything seems well packed. There's an offer for a 12-month extended warranty. Easy to read instructions, not overly complicated. These come with your standard nail drill bits that come with all kits. These are good for natural nails. If you're wanting acrylic removal, you will need to get specialized nail bits for that. Comes with a really generous supply of sanding bands, so that's great. And this is the power plug. This is nice that it comes with a foot pedal. That's super handy. Ooh, pretty. This is a cute nail drill. Love the gold color. It's very nice. The speed dial turns really smoothly. It's very easy. This is a nice lightweight handpiece. This is packed very well. It's a very lightweight handpiece, which really will help with reducing hand fatigue. That's nice. The chuck seems to move very easily. Well, this is my second attempt because I wasn't paying attention to the plugs in the hole, so there are two different sizes, which should make it easy to insert the plug connection. So I'm plugging the foot pedal now, and you'll notice that they've labeled the inserts motor and foot pedal, so I think that's a nice feature. And here we have the power plug. Now I'm just plugging the power cord. I like the hidey hole for the handpiece. It saves space. Okay, so let's fire this puppy up. So I'm going to take one of the sanding bands and then the sanding mandrel. Then I'm going to push the sanding band onto the mandrel bit, and after twisting the chuck open, I'm inserting the mandrel bit into the handpiece. You may want to adjust for clearance when you're at your desired height, then you can twist and close the chuck. And one of the added benefits of the hidey hole is that it saves space. There's no need for a separate hand rest for your handpiece. So one of my favorite features on this machine are these little holes. They're nail drill bit holders. I think they should be standard on all machines. I love these because I like to switch up my bits, and the more of these, the better, in my opinion. Okay, I'm going to try to turn this on. Well, the indicator light's not on, so obviously I did not do this correctly. Let's try this again. Indicator light is on, and you can hear the machine going. Something really cool with this machine. I'm going to turn it on with the hand wheel. Watch this. The hand pedal is automatically sensed. There's no hand pedal switch to flip. That's super convenient. I really like this feature. But I don't really like it. I love it. Love it. Let's be honest, I could play with this all day. But I won't. And if you want manual control, just turn the dial. It goes back to hand control. That is super convenient. And in case you're wondering, it does have a directional forward and reverse switch. So I'm powering the machine off now, and some of my favorite features are definitely the space-saving features, the small footprint, the handpiece holder, the drill bit holders. But my favorite is definitely the foot pedal and the manual wheel auto-sensing switch. Love that feature. Highly recommend this nail drill.